Hello, welcome to Polish with Blondes. So in today's lesson we're going to learn a few more words. We'll also see what the plural forms of these words are, and we'll use them in sentences when you want to say that you have something. To jest paszport. Mam paszport. Mam paszport. Mam paszporty. Paszporty. To jest paszport? To są paszporty. To jest paszport? To są paszporty. Jeden paszport, dwa paszporty. When you cross the border, you might be asked the question, a passport please. Not a question really, just a request to show your passport. So in Polish you'd say, paszport proszę. Paszport proszę. And when you pass it to someone, you just say, proszę, proszę. And then if a person is polite, they will say, dziękuję, dziękuję. So one more time. Paszport proszę, proszę, dziękuję. New word now. To jest banknot. Banknot. To jest polski banknot. To jest banknot. To są banknoty. To jest banknot. To są banknoty. So to say it is or this is, you say to jest, to jest. However, when you say these are, the verb changes and it's to są. To są banknoty. To są paszporty. And let me give you a few more examples of how a noun changes in plural. The ending is y. Letter Y, which we pronounced I. Paszporty. Paszport, paszporty. Bilet, bilety. Do you remember the meaning of the word bilet from the previous video? Bilet. To jest mój bilet. It's my ticket. So bilety, tickets, bilety. Kawa. Do you remember this word? Kawa. And in plural, you say kawy. Kawy. 3 kawy proszę. 3 kawy proszę. Herbata, herbaty. Herbata, herbaty. Finally, let's have a look at some practice. I will say a sentence, see if you understand that, and in a moment it will appear on screen. 3 kawy proszę. 3 kawy proszę. 3 coffees please. Mam 4 banknoty. Mam 4 banknoty. I have 4 banknotes. Mam 2 paszporty. I have 2 passports. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and follow us for more. Cześć!